A beat that you made?
Old archive, yes, the olden days.
Back when you had no idea what you were doing?
No, I knew. It was beauty.
Reach up so I can see your face.
Okay. Alright.
Are you gonna tutorial him? Are you gonna let him do a tutorial?
Do you want a tutorial?
Throw me back in there, man.
Why do you have a bonnet on?
Hello?
Oh, but you're okay. Do you even know how to play this game? 7 seconds? No.
Troy,
Have you
do you
played
know
this
how to
before?
play this game?
Do I?
You played Spelunky 1. It's the same controls. And your bomb is circle.
He's worse than me, guys. Oh my god.
You always are throwing bombs unless you
never
crouch.
mind. It's kinda
If you
good.
hold down, then you do not throw.
Who is that?
Who is who?
Him!
Okay, so these things are arrows that shoot at you.
Yeah, bro, it's over. Okay, hold on.
If you hold down real quick. Hold down. Yeah, you can see below you. And same with up.
Who needs to see?
You.
Oh! Troy!
That's
Oh my
the
god,
end.
no, get it!
That's the end. That's
Go.
the end.
There you go.
You
We
can
out.
also
Wow.
replace your dog, but you know what? Whatever.
That was 29 seconds.
I really blasted. Will you shoot me if I drop the bomb immediately?
Mm-hmm. But that's a freeze ray. You see that?
Yeah.
So grab it.
Ooh.
And then shoot him?
Mm-hmm. Hold down. Grab it. He won't hurt you. Just grab it.
How do I grab it?
Hold down and hit X. Hold down and hit the whip button. My bad. Square. Yep. So he comes up to you like, hey.
How do I
gang,
shoot him?
X. Or sorry.
Ooh, you almost got me killed.
Square.
Okay.
Guys, we should go to Dairy Queen.
Now jump on him.
Hey, go!
He doesn't stay frozen,
I'm
gang.
glad you're recording this. Oh gosh.
Don't worry, y'all. I'm locked. I'm locked in.
So to grab things, you just hold down and hit the whip button, okay?
Okay.
Like that skull
I'm
right
ready.
there. Go ahead and grab it. Grab it.
Hold on. I'm pro. Watch this. Get up! Hey, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Detroit Troy today, and we back with another episode of Spelunky. And here we go. We back headed to the second world, and you know,
Second level of the first world.
the second level of the first world.
This is only
Never
the
die.
first world. How
Never
many
die.
I made it to invested in
See,
this
I really.
game. Oh, you placed it wrong.
I didn't even go in your shop. I didn't do it. I did.
He said you vandal. Oh, go! No!
You broke every bone in your body.
It's free.
This is
Not
fun.
That's better. If it's free, that's good.
Come here, boy. Yes.
Why are you making those?
It's to the right, probably.
What? Oh, you barely made it out,
You got 4 health, gang.
bro.
You got all your health, gang.
All you lost was a bomb.
Watch this. Let me show you something real quick.
Okay.
We got another freeze ray. This isn't a good shop, though. There's nothing worth stealing from this shop.
Oh.
But if you freeze him
You
and
just
then
trying
jump
to
on
shoot
him,
him.
jump on him.
No. I'm gonna start paying attention to the sound bar.
You're missing your dog. Go back to the hog, bro.
I don't.
You do for help.
No,
No,
we
we can give you
I
your
don't-
health back.
I don't
You can
like
also
them.
throw the dog in front of the arrow trap to not get shot with an arrow. What are you thinking?
Yeah, Troy.
Let me show y'all a real game now.
Why you're wasting your bomb?
Why is that wasting? That goes down. What? You avoided the trap.
Silly goofies. Y'all don't know nothing about this game. Let me show y'all.
No, finish what you were gonna say. Finish what you were gonna say.
Let me show y'all a ball, man. This is my last try. This the one. I promise it's the one.
What's your goal?
No,
What's my
it doesn't
goal?
hurt.
Yeah.
Beat the game.
Okay.
Look at this. Get.
You didn't do that. He did that to himself.
Oh, he just.
Oh, and it just keeps going.
Can I stomp on him?
No,
I
'cause
know
then
I
you're
can.
that the spikes are up already. Like he.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, okay.
There's nothing over there, bro.
But it's saying.
Spider gonna
RP.
come up and I'm. Come here, boy.
Are you trying to? What are you doing?
Treasure. Hold on.
There's no point in going to the spider. Oh.
I'm so proud.
So if you go,
I'm so
oh, there's a
professional.
lightning bug.
I promise y'all, I am so professional.
What are those?
Do I
What is
smack
that?
him?
What is that?
There's a spider over there.
Where are you seeing
Where?
the spider? When you come
On
Oh
the
yeah, when I
outside.
come out, I'm ready. Watch. Hustle. This the one, guys. I'm gonna beat the game.
You see that pop?
Don't do the pop.
I am
Don't
not
do the
going
pop.
down there.
Man, I got killed. How was I supposed to escape that pop?
All right. It's fine. I didn't want to live anyway. One more. Just the one.
You see that wooden crate down to the left?
Yep.
So you can get ropes or bombs.
If I land on his head, do I kill him?
You will.
Oh, okay.
Ooh, I'm on.
Looks like progress is to the right.
Yeah, that's the spider.
Bye bye. Uh-oh. Bank shot.
Gang, you are out of bombs now.
I didn't need him.
The first level?
I didn't need
You're
him.
going the wrong.
Who's going the wrong way?
There's the exit there.
Who's going the wrong way? Let me,
Go
for good
into
measure,
the-
let me.
Just leave. He's literally down.
You don't understand.
Okay, finish his sentence.
Yeah, boy.
This looks very. No.
But I got 10 racks.
You might find some bombs in that crate.
Who is that? Oh my goodness.
that?
It's a sacrifice place.
You can put the dog on there. You got ropes. That's kind of unlucky, but it's fine. If you had a bomb,
Break
you
it,
could go
break
in
it
there.
in case there's something in there. Oh, kill it. Grab the dog, grab the dog, grab the dog. I broke it before. I always,
kill
it.
But sometimes there's yummy stuff.
That's the OG.
This is.
Bruh.
No! Jump on there to be with him.
What are you doing? You can just make that jump. You don't have to kill these things, by the way. It gives you nothing.
He has to.
Okay, he's dead, but it gives
He's
you
just
nothing.
crashing out on him.
Throw him on the spikes. Throw him on the spikes.
What?
Yes!
I thought he was gonna roll on my toes.
One more.
You haven't brought the dog to the end once. You
Where's
should
the
do that.
dog at?
Right.
Oh.
Making sure I had to get money.
Why are you.
Troy, the goal is not to get money. The goal is
I
just
know.
to get to the end. Okay?
I know.
Okay,
I'm
okay.
just professional. You know
That's
what
true.
I'm saying? So I
Yeah,
got
I
multitask it.
Yeah,
No! Oh, I thought you were gonna hit the arrow thingy.
Nice job looking. Good work.
That little ugly boy.
Don't crash out.
Ooh.
So you don't get anything for sacrificing the bad things on the altar?
That's the arrow. Oh, it already shot her.
It has to be a lot of buttons.
I know she's gonna come down and kill me, ain't it?
What is that?
Move one of the blocks out of the way first.
I'm so proud.
Now get the dog! You place him with the idol, and now put a bomb.
Come here, boy. I knocked the dog out.
You're gonna be the first of us to get to the 3rd level if you.
If you take the idol into the shop.
Yes!
If you take. Oh, okay.
Why would you say that?
That was.
Okay. This the one.
I jinxed
No
it.
fake. This the one.
What are you saying?
I got nothing of substance.
Who is
to say to
that?
him.
Who? That's the guy.
He will hurt you.
He likes to roll
You
around.
don't need to put 2 bombs when you do that.
I know. I meant to time it better to make the first one drop on the second.
Just go down,
Watch
bro.
this.
What are you doing?
You're wasting all you're done.
They're all gone.
But he said that he could
Who gonna hurt me? Who gonna hurt me?
Him.
Yes!
At what cost?
You
Wasn't worth it. Wasn't worth
You
it.
just throw the treasure.
Hold on. Watch this.
Stop.
Who gonna hurt me? Who gonna? Go down. Go down. Go down. Go down. Who gonna hurt me? I am.
Get the dog. He's right there.
Let me show you how I feel about this dog.
Oh, no. What do you mean?
Are you gonna kill me?
No. Troy, he can give you health if you get to the next level.
What are you doing? doing?
Don't throw him on the spikes.
You got rope?
You know it.
Yeah. Watch the spider.
The spider gonna get me anyway. Go. What's good, snake? Uh-oh.
Troy.
Down to 1 health, bro.
Troy, you gotta make it for all of us.
Get up!
Up in the red. He won't see you if you're behind him.
You have one thingy.
Rope.
Wait, how do you know to throw rope?
I
Is
couldn't
it X?
jump and get the
Or
bat.
Y? It's Y,
This
right?
the one. No cap.
Is this the one? I don't know.
I can throw the dog at the bats. Oh my goodness, I love the dog.
Dude, dogs are great, bro.
I love this dog.
His name is Monty.
Mon's name isn't Monty.
Understandable.
His name is something else.
Here's something else.
Gerald.
Watch this. So pro. Dama. Watch this. Oh my goodness.
What did you just do?
Why did the rope go there? Watch, I'm finna pass it right now.
Is
Does
it?
the turkey
Yes,
hit
it's
me?
the exact
No, it
same.
doesn't. You can just collect it, so grab it.
Or you can become friends with it and write it.
Or kill it for lives.
Go
You
on
might need
top.
to get rid of the spiders first.
This. So I just gotta. Oh, I'm so sorry.
Throw the spider.
What? Is it still alive? How did that happen?
I just need to stop being ADHD. Why is Buddy Boy running around?
So would
that
you
makes
bomb
me.
the
Oh, there's a dog.
No.
Oh my goodness.
Just go to the left.
I can do it.
You got this.
There's an arrow trap. Use the dog to absorb it.
Where is it? Oh, down here? I'm
Drop
sorry.
the dog
I'm
in.
sorry. I'm so
Drop him in.
sorry. I'm so sorry. Oh my goodness.
Okay, he'll be okay.
It's okay. He'll be okay. There it
See,
is.
he's just fine.
There it is. Come here.
He's dead.
Did you kill the dog?
Because I'm not finna mess this up again. I promise I'm not.
Okay, grab it.
Oh, I just gotta get down there?
That's right.
What?
So maybe don't bother.
Yeah, don't just.
There's nothing worth stealing. There's nothing worth stealing. There's really nothing worth stealing.
I
I know you want it.
don't like him. What do I do? Down?
I
Just
swear
buy it
this
if
chair.
anything.
Whip
There's something wrong with
down
this
and
chair.
whip button, but don't whip him. Down and whip button. Grab it. Grab it. Okay, he walks up to you. See that?
Yep.
Now shoot him. Now jump on him.
I can't do it. I can't risk it. I can't risk it.
Oh
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
You could have made it to
last
World
time
4.
I jumped on him.
He could have made it to the
You
second
missed.
world.
If you jump on him while he's frozen, he dies immediately. He gets one shot.
You want to sit? Maybe you'll get. Oh, you have a penguin. How cute.
Penguin.
Because you're not gonna make it like that.
Who's not gonna make it? I made it to 1-3. I accomplished my objective.
I'm excited.
Watch this.
Huh? What?
He's showing scripture.
What'd you say?
Chapter 14. Now at Iconium, they entered together into the Jewish
That's how I do
synagogue and spoke in
fatalis.
such a way that a great number of both Jews and Greeks believed.
I think so.
But the
I don't
unbelieving Jews stirred up the Gentiles and poisoned their minds against the brothers.
I'm confused.
You get. Oh, you make me mad. You stupid. Let me.
What are you doing?
He grabbed it.
I have a plan and a vision. Oh my goodness.
Watch the dog.
What?
Can I throw him down?
Oh yes. You gotta jump in them.
Bro, I don't even know if I know.
Bati boy. Is that a bad? I don't know.
I don't even know if anything's down there. Look. Whoa, you can get that crate. That has loot.
There's no way he hit
Just
me on
flip
his
it.
way down. He did not just do that. Did he do that?
He did.
He really did. Let me show him something.
I forgot that
You don't have to show him anything.
Didn't just throw 3
Bombs at him.
and then you kill yourself.
The door was right there too.
No.
Guys, I don't know.
I know
if
what
we're
I have
gonna
to
make it to World 2.
We're gonna make it.
I don't know.
Watch
if
this
we're
the
gonna
one.
do it.
I wasn't trying for real.
Depends on what ending you're going to. Troy.
Take me now. Just take me now. Take me. Take me. Take me. Take me.
Okay. I'm
This
gonna
is
search
the
online
one.
for some-
You can eat it for dinner. But 36 hours.
Oh my God.
Ow.
Sorry, that was meant to be an encouraging.
Would that be nice to you? If I just smacked you? What if it was your face? Would that be encouraging?
Did I smack your face? India food?
Ooh, reflexes. This is a good first level.
It is.
That was swell.
That was smooth.
I might actually go somewhere.
Okay.
I
you
can
see
shoot him
that?
with the gun. Instant kill, right?
Bang.
Better be.
But be careful because those things in front of you will explode.
What's good with you, my boy?
What?
Forget this class is actually very hard.
I've been waiting for this for
Shoot.
so long.
Yeah.
Or do I wait till he gets back up?
Shoot him when he's down.
Okay.
But I have to let Johnny.
I've been waiting so long for this. He killed me so many times. Since the Xbox 360, I've never killed this man. Let me show him some.
How did that happen? So
Because if you buy the wrong lamp, that's why when you go to nail salons, they have like the reflective bottom when you put it inside.
Mhm.
Because it's supposed to cure it all the way. If you don't cure it all the way,
Oh yeah.
you can end up with contact dermatitis. If you're not buying like good gel polish, contact dermatitis. Like there's so much.
What if you just use regular nail polish?
Regular nail
chips.
polish chips in like a day.
Literally.
Big whoop.
And I was thinking about doing that and then just putting like
You
my
just
gel
bought a
top coat
keyboard.
on top.
Or you know what you could do?
Regular gel top coat on top.
Yeah. But you could also
Yeah.
Is
you
Troy
could
gonna
also do
try
if you
one
put,
more
like,
time?
Glue the fake nails on.
Have you
and
blinked?
Use, like nail like industrial like.
Oh, your eyes are watering.
But
I
already
don't know
bought
if you've blinked.
The builder gel.
Oh.
Like
You
this
blinked.
is on my real nails.
Well, if you use a regular one, why would you get contact dermatitis?
Guys, Troy's crying.
Troy, what's
Wait,
wrong?
No,
Troy,
I've never
no.
seen him cry.
Wait, you're actually crying.
Yeah, I feel bad for recording. Why are you crying?
Takes his anger out on his dog. Do you do that to DOG too?
DOG? DOG?
I feel like he's not crying. I feel like he's about to crash out and his eyes are.
Is that your dog? Boy, you have a dog named DOG? The tears literally coming down his face.
Bro.
What is he doing?
Oh my gosh. Chat. Are you okay? Is it the screen or?
While
are
you
you-
guys were talking about
It's
nails,
good. It's good. It's
He
good.
kept his eyes open for like a minute and 20 seconds,
good.
and his eyes started watering. That's what happened.
Oh,
He's
what
not
the-
crying.
It's good. It's
It reminded you of your.
You women do not pay attention. It is absurd.
You women?
Uh huh.
Who said I'm a woman?
Oh.
Oh. Why are you looking at me like that?
Kobe.
Yeah.
You're gonna kill him again. Don't place him when he's dead, because it's less points. You're throwing him the. Okay, I think he's gonna die now. I think it's impossible for you to get him. I think he's gonna die.
Why don't you
Yep.
love him?
Yeah, man.
It's fine. I got a replacement. Don't worry.
Are you trying to miss?
No, I'm
You're gonna run out of time, by the way.
Don't worry. I'm gonna be out.
Don't do that one.
What about him?
Because
He will
he's
be
gonna
upset.
come after you.
I was gonna kill him and put him on the altar.
Put him on the altar.
I don't think you'll be able to.
Ow!
that done?
Put that keyboard up here.
I want to see Billy play it.
Man, your booty is warm.